goes to Big Sky Country song too many times. It's one of their first original songs. They are a local band that is super talented and popular in my area in upstate New York. They play in Saratoga County, Schenectady County, up at Lake George, Albany County. So they asked me to choreograph a dance, and I freaked out a little bit, and then I went to work. All right, so it is a 48 count dance, but I made the steps fairly easy, nothing too complicated, because I'd like my approver dancers to be able to do it. So it started out as a 4-wall dance, but it's really actually a 3-wall dance because we never actually started at 3 o'clock. There are a couple restarts. There's a tag restart and a restart later. And I did it that way so we would always be starting at the beginning of the pattern when they do the chorus. All right, so let's give it a try. So your weight should be on your left foot. We're going to start with our right heel, hook, and shuffle forward. Left heel, hook, shuffle forward. All right, that's the first section. Let's do it with some counts. Ready? 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so your weight should be on your left foot right now, and you're going to rock forward on the right, recover, and step a half turn to your right, and another half turn around, and do a right coaster step, back, back, forward, and then shuffle forward, left, right, left. Okay, if you're not a turner, I will show you a modification for this section. All right, but let's do it one more time. We're gonna rock forward on the right, recover, step a half right, back, back, forward, that's that coaster, and shuffle forward. And the count on that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. If you are someone that does not like to do the turns, there's a very simple modification. You can rock forward, recover, step back right, left, coaster step, shuffle forward, and you are ready to go, okay? So let's put it together from the top, starting with those heel hooks forward. So right heel, hook, shuffle, left heel, hook, shuffle. You're gonna rock right, recover, turn, turn, coaster step, shuffle forward, left, right, left. All right, so from here, we're going to do a right jazz box quarter turn. We're gonna step in front with the right, back, side, together, and then step, touch, right, step, touch, back, left. All right, so the count on that is just over 1, back 2, side 3, 4, step forward 5, touch 6, 7, touch 8. Okay, let's add that on from the top. Ready, heel, hook, shuffle, heel, hook, shuffle. You're gonna rock, recover, turn, turn, coaster step, shuffle forward, right jazz, quarter turn, and step, touch, back, touch. All right, section 4. We're gonna side rock right, recover our weight on the left, and do a behind, out, over. Side rock left, recover, behind, out, over to the right. All right, so with the counts, it's rock 1, recover 2, 3, and 4, rock 5, recover 6, 7, and 8. Okay, let's add that on. Ready, heel, hook, shuffle, heel, hook, shuffle. Rock, recover, half turn, turn, coaster step, shuffle forward, jazz, quarter turn, step, touch, back, touch, side rock, behind, out, over, side rock, behind, out, over. Okay, we just have 2 more sections, and I'm going to teach them right together, okay? So we're going to step out with the right and pivot a half turn to our left, so you should be down facing 9 o'clock, and you're going to shuffle forward, right, left, right. Then you're going to do a side mambo left, mambo step, and a right mambo step. All right, so you notice with a mambo step, we kind of rock, we lift up on the inside foot, step back, and step in place. Side rock, lift, step, step in place. All right, so let's do that again with the counts. So it's pivot 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so the last section of 8, we're going to rock back on the left, recover, shuffle forward, and kick, ball, change 2. Just kick, ball, step with the right. Okay, all right, so let's do that part again. After the mambos, you rock back, recover, shuffle forward, and kick, ball, step, kick, ball, step. That is the whole dance. All right. Okay, so let's put that together, those two last sections. Step out, pivot, turn, shuffle forward, mambo, step, rock back, recover, shuffle forward, kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change. All right, let's do it with the counts. Ready? Step out 1, pivot 2, shuffle 3 and 4, left 5 and 6, 7 and 8, rock back 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 with those kickball changes. All right, let's try it from the top, the whole dance. Weights on the left, we start with that right heel hook, shuffle, left heel hook, shuffle, rock right, recover, turn, right coaster step, shuffle forward, right jazz, quarter turn, step right, touch, back left, touch, side rock right, behind, out over, side rock left, behind, out over, step right, pivot turn, shuffle, left mambo step, right mambo step, rock back left, recover, shuffle forward, and kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change. Wonderful. All right, so this is a counterclockwise dance, sort of. So we did our first wall. Wall 2 has a break in it with a tag, okay? You're gonna hear a short guitar riff in the song. So I wanted him to do something with that instead of just dancing right through it. All right, so let's work on wall 2, and I will dance right up to the part where we have to stop and do the tag, okay? So if you haven't gotten it down, which I went through that pretty quick, go back and go through wall 1 again and practice it a little bit, okay? All right, so wall 2, ready, heel, hook, shuffle forward. Heel, hook, shuffle forward. You're gonna rock right, recover, half turn, coaster step, shuffle forward, left, right, left, jazz quarter turn to the front, and step, touch, back, touch, side rock, behind, out over, side rock, behind, out over, and right here, you're gonna stop. There's gonna be a guitar riff, and you're gonna stomp the right, forward diagonal, and you're going to do a little heel swivel thingy. You can freestyle this if you want, but I stomp 1, 2, 3, and 4, and stomp 5, 6, 7, and 8 in. All right, and then we're going to step back, clap 4. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then we're going to shuffle forward, shuffle again. We're going to step out with our right pivot half, shuffle forward, and pivot to the front. And then we're going to start again on the vocals. All right, so I know that's a lot. All right, so it's super fun though with the music. So let's try that tag again. We're going to stomp, heel, toe, heel, stomp, heel, toe, heel, step back, touch, 2, 3, 4, and shuffle, pivot, half, shuffle, step out, pivot, half. All right, so then after the tag, you're going to start here again at 12 o'clock, and you're going to end up over here at 9 o'clock again, and you are going to do the whole thing up to that same spot and the pattern, and then we're going to have a restart when there's a musical break. And the restart is right at the same spot that the tag was before. You'll understand more when we do it to the music. So we do the pattern to the front wall again, the side wall, the back wall, and then the song ends over here. Okay, but the beautiful thing about it is when you get to the back wall, the instrumental is over and he starts with the chorus right at the beginning of the pattern. So that is why I made it a 48 count dance. I wanted it to flow nicely and be able to start the pattern every time there was a change in the song. All right, so give it a try with the demo. Here's the demo. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, push, shuffle. Heel, push, shuffle. Rock, turn, coaster, step, shuffle. Jazz quarter, step touch, back touch. Side rock right, behind out over, side rock left, behind out over. Pivot, shuffle, mambo. Rock back left, shuffle, kickball change two. Start again, heel hooks. Rock, turn, coaster, shuffle, jazz quarter. Side rock, here's the tag. Stomp. Back clap. Shuffle, shuffle, pivot half, shuffle forward, pivot. Start again. Heel, hook, shuffle. Rock. Jazz. Step touch back. Side rocks. Pivot. Shuffle. Mambos. Rock back. Shuffle. Kick it. Heel hooks. Rock, turn. Jazz. Here comes the restart. Heel hook. Shuffle. Pivot, turn, shuffle, mambo, rock back, shuffle forward, kickball change twice. Heel hooks. Rock forward right, turn, coaster, shuffle, jazz. Pivot, shuffle. Rock back. All right. And those stomps at the end. All right. Thanks for dancing with me. I hope you make it out to a big Sky Country show soon, and I'll dance with you there.